Mickey Mouse, Patito Blanco, a half-ass job. Alright, so today is the day that we take my Honda to get fixed. So this is the last time we're gonna see it crashed, like so. This is what it looks like from this side. And this is the front. Goodbye, destroyed car. Hopefully. And this side looks good, except for the back. So this is where we're gonna fix the car, you guys. In this area here. That's a nice. Oh my gosh, you guys. So today is Wednesday, and they've had the car for like, what, 2 days? Yeah. 3 days? And I think they already did something to it. Hola, buenas. Sí. Estaba bien doblado. Awesome. So this is what it looks like so far. Looks good. Huh. So dice que esta parte de aquí estaba hasta aquí adentro. Oh, okay. So all of this was crashed all the way in. Yeah. That's crazy. He's doing a pretty good job. Yeah. Here's the bumper that we got on Amazon. And it's bent, so. See? Hey guys! So, sorry if I look like shit. I've been having migraines for the past 3 days. But anyways, today is April 2nd and we're gonna go pick up my car. I'm so fucking excited! We took my car March 23rd, so they've had my car for a week and 2 days. So I'm ready to see it. I'm hoping it looks good. We're gonna go pick it up in Mexicali, but I didn't say that. We left it in Mexicali. So I'm fucking excited because we're only gonna pay $300 and they pulled out the frame because it was all smashed, as you guys saw before this, and the guy was gonna paint it and supposedly he was gonna put the original paint on it. So we'll see about that. So yeah, let's go see. Alright you guys, so it's the next day. I didn't vlog when I got the car yesterday in Mexicali because I was really excited, as you can see from this next scene right here. But anyways, I'm already at home. Obviously it's the next day and I'll show you guys right now. Alright you guys, so here is my car. You guys could see it looks pretty good. I mean, I feel like it's a little off right here, but I mean, for $300, so it's like better than nothing. And if we go to the back, it looks way better now. I still need a tail, what are they called? A tail light? I still need a tail light, and other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, $300, you guys. He did a pretty good job with the paint as well. It matches and everything. So I'm really happy how my car turned out. So what do you guys think? Do you think it was worth paying $300? Everyone kept telling me to sell my car, that it wasn't worth fixing it. Because I had gone to Ontario, California to get a estimate, and they told me it was gonna be $4,500 to like $5,600 to fix it. And well, obviously my car's not even worth $2,000. Even the guy said it was better if I just sold it, and everyone kept saying, oh, you could probably get $1,000 or $800 for the car. I'm like, hell no, I'm not gonna sell this car, because this car, I'm gonna keep it till the day that I die, because this car has sentimental value. My dad gifted this car to me 2 years ago. Well, it's gonna be 3 years already in April. So I was really sad when everyone kept telling me that. And then, yeah, I was scared to take it to Mexicali, because first I didn't know the guy. I wasn't sure if they were actually gonna fix it good, or if they were gonna steal it or what. Because I was just gonna take it to Mexicali. If they steal it, I was never gonna find it, because it's Mexico. They could get away with a lot of things. But yeah, I'm really happy that I fixed it for only $300. I think it was worth it. I mean, I know if I would have paid $4,500, they would have done a way better job. But I mean, I didn't have $4,500 to fix it. So I forgot to mention, we only had to buy the front bumper and the back bumper. And yeah, I think that's about it. And he took care of the rest. He fixed the trunk and everything. He didn't do a Mickey Mouse, Patito Blanco. How do you say that in English? He didn't do a half-ass job. That's what I mean. He actually did work. So let me know in the comments what you guys would have done if you guys would have fixed the car for $4,500 to $5,600. Would you give that guy a chance to fix it? Would have paid $300 to fix it in Mexicali? Or would you guys have sold the car for $800 or $1,000? But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you guys didn't, I'm sorry. But if you're not subscribed, I hope you guys subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.